abakwabe nyibareba ngepower fakuri nende power. Manyewo two-tam. 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 Omuli abona eshomikani winyala ni sheshishyo. Eshefu njie shino. Your Excellency, I have finished. I want now kindly to invite the minister. And as I had painted out the picture that the economy has done very well, I know you have something for us this year and next year. And these workers, all of them who went through here, they were indicating to you that this region and workers' constituents in the Republic of Country are two-tam. May God bless you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, I'm being reminded by my able personal assistant and technical technician on economy that if you gave us 23% minimum wage increase, your government will be stable. At one time, President Kibaki gave us 22% minimum wage increase, 18%, 14%, and things went on well. I know your hand is